At Sheffield, we want to help our students explore their options after graduation and prepare for the world of work. Our students tell us that talking to someone actually doing the job is the best way to find out about different job roles and work areas. When the person they talk to is also a Sheffield graduate, they share an immediate connection. The programme links current students up to mentors working in an occupational area of interest to them. Some students want to connect with someone working in a specific job, such as a mechanical engineer or an accountant. Others may have a less clear idea of specific job roles, but want to explore more general areas, such as the media, marketing, the charity sector, or HR. By answering their questions, giving them practical advice and sharing the benefit of your experience, you could help a student gain an insight into your job role and sector and be better informed about the options open to them. Mentoring is a two-way process, and we hope that you will also gain something from taking part. It's a great way to stay in touch with the university and help a student, as well as enhancing your own skills and personal development. So, how does it work? This is a structured mentoring programme. We run 2 schemes per year in autumn and spring. The autumn scheme runs from October to December, and the spring scheme runs from February to May. As a mentor, you apply online and a mentor profile is created, which approved students can view on our secure database. This profile is anonymous. Your name and email address are only shared once you're actually matched to a student. Students can select mentors they'd like to connect to and are then matched to one. Matching is dependent on a suitable student having applied to the scheme, but we do everything we can to ensure that every mentor is matched at least once per academic year. If we don't match you on one scheme, we will aim to match you the following semester. We know our mentors are busy people, so communication is primarily via email or Skype. If you are able to meet face-to-face with your mentee, that's great, but it's not a requirement and we realise it's not always possible. All students applying to the scheme attend a compulsory induction and are provided with support to prepare for and get the best out of their mentoring. We encourage students to take the lead in the mentoring partnership, initiate the first contact and negotiate a schedule of communication that works for you both. We also ensure that they understand the importance of respecting your time as a volunteer. We hope that our flexible programme is a manageable commitment, but we do want to make sure that our mentors are clear about expectations before signing up. As a mentor, we would need you to commit to 3 things. Firstly, communicating with your mentee for 8 to 10 weeks during the contact period. Secondly, responding to your mentee's emails within 5 working days wherever possible. Lastly, contacting the scheme coordinator if you encounter any problems. So, what sort of things could you help a mentee with? Your mentee should be prepared to ask questions and have clear objectives of what they want to achieve by taking part in the scheme, but some of our students do need a little more help. We provide mentors and mentees with a list of possible topics to discuss. This may include how you secured your job and what it involves day to day, your mentee's interests, skills, career aspirations, support with CV, applications and interview tips. So what happens when your mentoring's over? When the scheme comes to an end, you may agree to keep in touch with your mentee, but your formal mentoring comes to a close. You may choose to mentor just the once, but we really hope that you'll continue mentoring for us again. Once your details are on the system, you can opt in at the start of the autumn and spring schemes, depending on your availability. Our alumni mentor community can provide a fantastic network for students who might not have contacts in their chosen area. If you'd like to be a part of this community, sign up today.